5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Triangle 10.
So do you pop Lord Shattery often at early? Torpo?
I'll just do it then. 23, 2, 1. I didn't do it last time because it wasn't off cooldown.
Okay, just the earlier the better because we do most OBs.
Taunting.
That's great.
23, 2, 1.
Oh fuck. Bree, you got this first. Thought I blinked into Torment then. Yep.
I'm on tanks.
We're up next, but
him.
It's on cooldown.
Oh, he's mine.
It's on square. Get away from the town.
Just
Circuit's 20.
you'll have to start, Curious. Curious, Whiteman, then
You say me?
after Whiteman.
20 off circuit and 2, 1.
It's on the left
Star.
Star.
Move close to Curious, so you take it now.
When you have
I'm
no
dead.
torment, get back
Now
into the
tip.
middle.
Go move next to Whiteman.
Don't yell, it's okay.
Oh sh.
I've got to get linked with Aztec.
This is fun.
Yep, just been dusted.
Use your raid wall, use your raid wall.
So that can
So someone's gonna have to cover for me.
I'm refreshed, sorry, I can't do 4.
Rev's refreshed too.
I can't do 7.
It's all the way
Let's
on
get away
the
from it.
Rev does have it. Anodyne, you need to come into melee.
Come to Ral.
I have a barrier.
It's
Left hand leg of the bot.
Sol, are you refreshed?
Get closer, man.
Staying
Get
closer.
Pre's going to 16.
No, you took it.
Keep Venk.
Well,
so
Anodyne.
Soul needs help, right?
Are there cooldowns available for Sol?
Wait, no, this is Paints Up 1. Flames Paints Up is up for this. I can take the next crystal when it's my...
Now get out, Anodyne, I don't like you there.
Where this one
Call for it when it's time, Sol.
Decimation Blade circuit.
I'm refreshed
The
again, Rail,
ranged
with
out on the
Trigger.
right hand side, shuff around to the left.
That's fine.
I
You
really
have to
don't want
run around me
crystals spawning out here.
when you get your...
20 and 3, 2,
Actually run.
1.
Switchy, go back to the middle. Winaman, go back to the middle. You don't have
I can't, there's a
Hands
crystal
up
behind
here, Mem,
you.
when you're
Insane.
tanking.
Okay.
test back to the middle. Does it
Yeah, just reset.
Watch for me.
New crystals.
I'll be doing it around 10.
Calm down.
So we're next. Oh, we would be next.
Blake, can you move to your right a little?
You're not next.
Yes.
Circuit.
I just got refreshed. I just got refreshed with Plinkin again because I got the fucking
Am I
kill.
still in this rotation?
Anodyne, you need to come into
Winaman's going
melee.
now, I'm next.
I'm after you,
You need to help Rel again, and
You're helping...
Okay.
Yep, this is
Point off circuit and 2, 1.
shredded to
on the left.
That's right
got him
next to
already.
us. Watch out,
It's still on
Sophie.
cooldown.
It's on counter.
I swear I saw that go off on a different spot, sorry. Breeze took it from me earlier.
Starts yelling. Use your second pod if you haven't.
Bree's gonna need a backup, or he will die.
Shredded, back
or
up pre.
cooldown.
Shredded, back up pre.
Shredder's got countdown.
This is last play. Next. Boomkin, don't run in yet.
It's okay. No, Boomkin's got the thing. Can Fuka back him up?
It's spawning on red. I got 2.
I'll go first. I'll go first.
Do we have a... Can you
shit, sorry.
Hey,
move, Rev. Get out, get out, get out.
I haven't got torment. Relax. I haven't got torment.
Somebody needs to take it off Aztec.
I've
I'm
got
leaving
it.
now.
Can we get a hammer?
Alright.
Shut the fuck up. Clear vent.
Berserk in 50.
I'm dead.
I can back
Zero
up.
power.
Shield wall, can we get him up?
Remember, healers need to take the crystal when it enrages.
Yep.
Healers take these. Healers to crystals. One's on the left of the melee.
And crystals. Healers to crystals.
Can we not get him?
No, we can't.
Of course not.
Unless, just try it. Oh no, DPS. Healers to crystals. Make sure people are always in range of crystal. Always in range of crystal.
JB.
Just make sure people are at those fucking crystals.
Yes.
Stand near crystals. Yes!
Fuck yeah!